everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm bringing you guys, sorry I moved my camera, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens, or the Walgreens ad preview for June 24th through June 30th. It's going to be an okay week in my opinion. Better than, I think this week looked like it was going to be an okay week, and it turned out to be a huge moneymaker for a lot of you guys. But I think this is going to be a pretty good week. I'm starting to see that the sales are picking up, which is a great thing. But I'm just going to walk with you guys and check out the ad. Now you guys can check this ad out too. You can just go to Walgreens.com. Usually on Wednesdays is when they have the new ad up. So let's just dig in and see what you guys can do. So right here you see it says great $2. I see a lot of stuff on the front page. My thing of the deals of the week is the OxyClean. They're going to be on sale for $2.99. We will be getting $2 off coupons in the Sunday's paper. So if you guys don't get those coupons, I highly recommend ordering from people. And making them 99 cents, and I think that's a great deal for laundry detergent. Sorry, my son's going to sit on my lap. So the next deal we got is Speed Stick deodorant. Yep, they have chips. The next thing they have is the Speed Stick deodorant. Those are going to be on sale for $1.99. We are getting a buy one, don't touch. We are getting a buy one, get one free coupon.
I'm not seeing the nuts.
Yeah, the nuts. With those coupons, so you guys want to use that coupon, you get two of them for $1.99, or just pretty much $1 a piece. Ben, they don't need to see that book. The next deal you see is...
No, they do.
Okay, so now the next deal, as you guys can see, they have the Purex laundry detergent and the Purex crystals for $1.99. I don't think there's any coupons out there for you guys, but if you guys are interested in something like that, they do have bags of chips for $1.99 each. It does look like if you spend $15, you guys will get 3,000 points. So if you guys want to do that, I think $2 for a bag of chips is a pretty decent deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. The next deal, I don't know what else there is on the front page. They got some nuts and stuff for that. Here we got some food deals. Now there is a DiGiorno pizza, 2 for $10. There is a coupon that you guys can print off of coupons.com for $6 off of 3. So what you guys want to do is print off 2 of those coupons, and you guys want to buy 6 pizzas, use 2 of those coupons. You guys would end up paying 18 bucks for 6 pizzas. That comes out to be $3 a piece. I wouldn't say, I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of DiGiorno. I will not get it. But if you guys think that's a great deal, go for it. I don't know if it's cheaper just going to your local grocery store and seeing, I don't know if it's cheaper just going to your local grocery store and seeing what is a better deal. But they got, some bumblebee tuna and chicken to the sea tuna. So if you guys really want some sandwiches, I guess, they just need bread on this page. Gum, 79 cents. Not much going on with this whole area. S'mores. I've been really craving s'mores lately. But here is a great deal. They got the trolley gum or the juju fruits. It looks like trolley or juju fruits. This looks like just those 2 candies. I don't know if they're going to have any other candies, but those are going to be 99 cents on sale. You guys want to buy those. You guys will end up getting a 99-cent register reward. Now make sure the Catalina machine is printing to get those rewards. Also, you guys can pay with points. You guys can pay with points to get register rewards. I wanted to share with you guys on that. Ben, I can open it. Then they have the Black Forest gummies, $1.99. Here you go, Benjamin. So you guys would pay $1.99, but then you get a $1.99 register reward. So again, you guys can pay with points. You can actually buy both of those if you guys want to, and you will still get the register reward. If you wanted to buy 2 of these in 2 separate transactions, you guys can use those register rewards to pay for that. So it's like a double freebie. So just letting you guys know on that if you guys are interested with that. But those are going to be some great deals. I love getting free candy. I'm trying to cut back on candy, but I usually just give it to the guys at work. You love candy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you love candy. Pringles, 4 for $5. There is that $1 off of 4 coupon. So
I have Pringles at home.
You have Pringles at home?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Here we got Dawn dish soap and puff tissues. Now we do have 25% off coupons in the June P&G. I think there's both in there. I looked and it looked like it, but I could be blind. So those end up becoming 74 cents. if you guys need paper plates or nice Ziploc baggies or whatever, those could be some good prices for 99 cents. Not much going on this whole page. I don't really see anything. The batteries are, if you buy one, you get 5,000 points. $4 off with cards. So maybe there might be some good freebies with the batteries. I don't know. We'll have to see about that.
I don't see the candy anywhere.
What'd you do with it? I don't know what you did with it, honey. Here we got 25% off their summer stuff. Now, I was told by an employee that their summer stuff's going to be going on clearance in the next couple weeks because they got to start getting back to school stuff. So be prepared. This stuff's going to be going on clearance. I'm pretty excited. I love getting 90% off or 50% off summer stuff. Here we got the personal care products. Nothing really pops out in my face here. They got the Colgate where you get 5,000 points if you spend $10 or more. I think we are getting coupons, so if you guys are interested in something like that, you could always do that. Here in this page, they got the Sure and the Brute deodorant, $2.49. Now, in the thing, it says plus a $2.49 coupon on in most papers. So it looks like it's basically a buy one, get one free coupon. So you guys would end up getting 2 of them for $2.49. Comes up to be, what, $1.25 a piece. So if you guys are interested in that. The diaper deal, it's 2 for $18. We're getting 3 off of 2 coupons. Plus, you guys get $7 registry reward if you spend $30 or more. I don't think that's a great deal, in my opinion. But Garnier Fructis, 2 for $7. There is a 3 off of 2 online coupon, making them $2 a piece. Again, not the greatest deal. Whole Blends, 2 for $7. There's going to be a 2 off of 2 coupon. Now, if you guys read those coupons, it's limiting 1 coupon per transaction, which I think is kind of dumb. I'm really, I know they're really pushing limits, but it's not going to stop people from doing certain things. So, wanted to share with you guys on that. Here they got like all the medicines and stuff. 5,000 points when you guys buy any 2 of these. There probably might be some deals popping up. Please also remember the Band-Aids and all that stuff is also still on sale. It might not be in the ad, but it's an all-month thing. Here we got some vitamins and all that fun jazz, and yeah. And then here is the last page of the Walgreens ad. They got a Pepsi deal. It looks like it's 4 for $10, and then it's going to be $1 off of 4 coupon. Then if you guys spend over $15, you get 3,000 points. So if you guys want something like that. Crackers and peanuts, $1.99. That could be an okay deal. Blue Diamond, buy one, get one free. But otherwise, nothing's really popping out at me. I think it's going to be an okay weekend, okay week. We might find some deals that we usually never find, but I'm hoping, it's a great week at Walgreens. A lot of us get some money makers in or a lot of freebies. So, yes, I just wanted to share with you guys what is coming out on this Sunday, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for some more Walgreens videos. See you guys later. Bye-bye.